Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and I'm here with you guys today because I made a quick little trip to the Dollar Tree today, and I picked up some little, crafty finds, and I wanted to share with you all the things that I found while I was at my trip. I don't have many things to share with you guys, but I did find a few cute things. I didn't do too much of a big haul because if I already bought it and I have maybe more than one of it, I'm not going to pick up more, at least until I start running out or I need to replace it. So let's get this started. So the first thing that I found today are these really, I think that they're going to be super awesome. These LED lights, really small LED lights. I haven't tested them out, but this is more or less what it looks like. And I bought 4 of these. And I'm going to try to pick up some more. I'm going to see how they light. And I'm going to test these with you guys now. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. If you haven't seen this, this is pretty much for the Halloween season. So as soon as Halloween is over and done with, these will probably be gone. If you like to light up your projects like I do, then this is definitely something that you are going to want to get a few of. So it has a little switch right there. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little bulbs. And I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to open this up because it does have a little screw right there that I do have to unscrew so that I can go ahead and add some batteries. So give me 1 second. Alright everybody, so to unscrew this you are going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a really small one. You can also find this at the Dollar Tree in the little sets. It brings all these little tiny screwdrivers and stuff. So it takes 2 AA batteries. And these are not Duracell or anything like that. These are like the cheap kind. Oh, and it lights up in blue. Are these different colors? I didn't check. I'm not sure if these are all the same color or not. They might be because they do not state. Oh, it lights purple. Also, I got these all the same. Yeah, so these all light up in purple. But let me see. Yeah, so it's the little bulb inside itself. Or the little LED that shows purple. It might have like a little dot of purple or something. I'm not sure if you can alter that. But you might be able, I mean, for $1 you might want to experiment and see. Buy one to see if like you can change the color up and how it kind of works. I won't do that with these because I'm actually quite okay with them being purple. I just need them to be pretty much for lighting and stuff like that. But super cool, and I do hope that they do bring these out seasonally, you know, since we do have like Christmas and stuff like that. It would be cool if they would bring these out like, you know, for every season type of thing. But I got 4 of these. Super excited about this. I'm going to put this to the side so that I can get on with the rest of my little Dollar Tree finds. The next thing that I found, which was new to my store, I'm not sure if they have them in other stores, are stencil brushes. And if you are familiar with my channel, you know that I love to use these stencil brushes for adding ink, for stenciling, pretty much for all different kinds of things. They're also great for using with acrylic paints. Very, very resourceful. And really, they do a really nice job when you are actually using them with stencils. You get nice crisp edges, and you can use them with ink or paint. So I got myself one of these because I do have quite a few. I wanted to test this out before I invested in buying a whole bunch of them. So I got one of those. The next things that I'm going to share with you guys are the stickers that are new to my store. So I got this little set and I thought it was super cute. It's got some corrugated board. And these are definitely simple DIYs. We can definitely remake this. And I think I'm going to actually do that just to have myself some extra ones. But it's always good to find something that kind of inspires you and gives you that incentive and motivation, because I personally do not do many embellishments. Although I do like to embellish my artwork and stuff like that. I'm not really all that into creating little embellishments and things like that. But these are super cute and definitely something that you can go ahead and recreate in many different styles. So I got 1 pack of these. And the words are laugh, believe, dream, love, inspire, cherish, and hope. Super cute. The next set that I got was this one. And I'm trying not to get too much glare. See if I can show you this way. See if I can focus it just a smidge. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. And this is Together Forever, and it's got like little roses. I like the fact that they used the gold glitter, and it's got like 2 little holes. So if you wanted to kind of like embellish a book or something, like put some little brats through there, that would be super cute. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be right here, because it's got what looks like a lamp shade, but then it's got like jean and then a key there. So that one's a little weird to me, but that's okay. And then we have this one right here. It says love. Love is you and me. We have this cute little feather. Forever love. Just really cute. I like these little Polaroids that they got right here. Super cute, and definitely something that you can also DIY. Well, you can actually DIY all of these if you have like the dies for the feather. These are scallop circles and then regular circles. These are like little flower. If you have like flower dies and stuff like that, you could definitely remake a lot of these things. So super cute. The next set is this one right here. And I love these kinds of colors. Very pastel-y. You could definitely apply these to like all different kinds of either cards and stuff like that. Or all different kinds of projects, paper crafting projects, and even like other kinds of projects like mixed media, even your art journals, stuff like that. So I love these kinds of things because you can definitely incorporate them in a wide variety of arts and crafts. So super cute. And it's all about love. So this one says love, love, you and me, love, sweetie. I really like this one right here. This is what really caught my attention. Super cute. And I got 2 of those. This is the only one that I got 2 of. So I didn't really have it. And this one they only had the 1. So hopefully when I go back I'll be able to get at least 2 more. I always like to get at least 2 or 3 of these sets because sometimes they bring them back, sometimes they don't. And like I said, they're super resourceful. You can use them on all different kinds of crafts. And especially for me, I like to do like mixed media and stuff like that. I could definitely see myself incorporating these and implementing these into like my art journal and those kinds of things like that. So this one's about the home, and it says home sweet home. It's got a little jar that is supposed to be like hooked up to the wood mantle, and it's got a little flower in it, like the little clock. This is like a dresser drawer, and it says love, live, and laugh, and they all got the little tabs like the little drawers. It says family is everything, home is where the heart is. Love this little lamp right here. Love this little paper right here. Super, super cute. The next thing that I found, this is new to my Dollar Tree. All these stickers right here that I got are new to my Dollar Tree. And I'm hoping to be able to find some more. These are all the ones that I really found. The whole thing is like a complete mess, which it always is. But especially the sticker section is like crazy, 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 crazy. But we'll see. We'll see. The next ones that I'm going to share with you guys are the other sets of stickers, if you want to call them that I found. But they're actually mirror mosaic stickers. So they're sticky back, but they're actually pieces of a mirror. So you can see my light bulb. You can see me. Hi. So I got them in gold and I got them in silver because I do have a project in mind for these that I'm going to probably be working on. Most likely this Saturday is going to be a project with these because I was like super inspired the minute that I saw them. So I got 4 of these, 2 of each of the golds in that. I did see pink. I saw blue, like a royal blue. But that's about it. I saw pink, royal blue, the silver, and the gold. Hopefully they'll have them in more colors because I would love to like have just at least 2 of each color. That would be good to go. For right now, I just picked those 2 again just so that I can try it out and see what they're like. The highlight of my trip today is the fact that I found some canvases. Yay, I'm so happy. And I got 3 of these. And these are stretch canvases. I've seen some other people haul them, and I was like, no, my Dollar Tree doesn't have them. And it's funny because I was like complaining to my husband because we went there together today. And I'm like, they never have the canvases here. I'm like, oh. And then I turned the corner and it just like the box was like somewhere in the bottom shelf on one of the aisles. And it like completely caught my attention. And I was like, oh, they brought the canvases and they got the new ones. So they have this size and one that's like a little bit smaller. This is 6 by 8 inches right here. And then I got 3 of these. Because like I said, I'm planning on creating a project. So we're going to see how that's going to work out. So I got those. And then I found more of these. So I got myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know hubby picked up a few himself. So we have these canvases. These are the 8 by 10. And like I said, if you're familiar with my channel, then you know that I've pretty much worked on the 8 by 10s throughout the entire summer. And I'm looking forward to creating more. But it won't be so much based like a series. I'll just do them, you know, sporadically here and there throughout my channel. So this is my haul, if you want to call it a haul, because it's not that big of a haul. But these are my crafty finds from Dollar Tree. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then definitely subscribe because you won't want to miss the project that I have coming your way. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.